Good morning, dears. Last day we have written all the formula related to area. Today we will be solving exercise 18a. Look at the first question. It says, find the length and the perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 216 centimeters square and the breadth is 12 centimeters. Dear, always for the mensuration chapter, for area and perimeter chapter, you have to draw the figure. You should not ask, ma'am, will draw figure. Yes, you have to. Now, rectangle is given. Area of the rectangle is 216 centimeters square and the breadth is 12 centimeters. Breadth of the rectangle is 12 centimeters. Now what we have to find? We have to find the length and the perimeter. As we know, length of the rectangle, we have learned the formula. Area divided by breadth. So 216 centimeters square by 12 centimeter. With this square has cancelled. 18 centimeter is the length. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. This gives you 2 into 12 centimeter plus 18 centimeter. 2 into 30 centimeter is equal to 60 centimeter is the perimeter. Write it please. Question number 2, it is given the diagonal of a rectangle is 10 centimeter and its breadth is 6 centimeter. Find its length and area. As we have learned last day, the diagonal is equal to under root L square plus B square. Is it? Now, you can see question number 2. Breadth is 6 centimeter and the diagonal is 10 centimeter. Clear? Now, length diagonal of rectangle is 10 centimeter and breadth of rectangle is 6 centimeter. As we know, L square plus B square is equal to D square. You will say, ma'am, we didn't know. We know L square plus B square under root is equal to 2. So when we remove this root, what does it mean? Is equal to D square. We can write the same formula it is. I have not given root here. If D square is equal to L square plus B square, so D is equal to L square plus B square under root. The same thing I have written. Is it? You have learned now D is equal to under root L square plus B square. So once the root is removed, it will be D square is equal to L square plus B square. Is it? Now here we didn't know L square. I am writing L square. B square is 6 centimeter whole square. D square is 10 centimeter whole square. Or it gives you L square is equal L square plus 36 centimeter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. Or L square is equal to 100 centimeter square minus 36 centimeter square. Or L square is equal to 64 centimeter square. L is equal to under root 64 centimeter square is equal to 8 centimeter. So once we got length is 8 centimeter what would be the perimeter of rectangle? So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B, or 2 into 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, 2 into 14 centimeter is equal to 28 centimeter is a rectangle's perimeter. Please write it. This is question number 2. So written. Look at question number 3. It says the area of a small rectangular plot is 88 meters square. If the difference between its length and its breadth is 3 centimeter, find its perimeter. Now look at question number 3. Question number 3. Length is x plus 3, breadth is x, clear? And the area is area of the rectangular plot is equal to 88 meters square. Difference between length and breadth is equal to 3 meter. So 0. Now we'll be writing, let the length be x meter, no sorry, length be x meter and the length be x plus 3 meter. Just wait 1 minute. Now dear, you have a correction here. Correct in your book also. This would be 88 centimeters square because it is given 88 meter and here difference is given 3 centimeter. Even the answer is also given in centimeter. So we are changing the area. This is 88 centimeters square. Okay. Let the breadth be x. So the length would be x plus 3. Therefore, L into B is equal to 88, or x square plus 3x is equal to 88, or x square plus 3x minus 88 is equal to 0. Now we have to break this middle term. X square plus 11x minus 8x minus 88 is equal to 0. I have told you when we were solving the equations and all, if this is negative, this will be broken in the term of minus. Or if x is common, x plus 11 minus 8 is common, x plus 11 is equal to 0. Or x plus 11 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, when the product is 0, either and or one should be 0. Now, either x plus 11 is 0, x is equal to minus 11 is not possible because length cannot be negative, or x minus 8 is 0, So x is equal to 8 centimeter. 8, or we can write it breadth is equal to 8 centimeter, length is equal to 8 plus 3, 11 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B, or 2 into 8 plus 11 centimeter, 2 into 19 centimeter, or 38 centimeter. This will be the perimeter. Please write it. Here we have solved it as algebraic equations. Okay. And there is a correction in the book, only you correct that the area will be 88 centimeter square, not meter square. Kindly write it. Now look at next question. It says the side of a square is 18 centimeter. Find its perimeter and area. That is a homework. You have to do it. Next day we will be solving question number 5. As you know, the side of a square is given. So perimeter will be 4 into side and the area will be side into side. It's clear. If you have any doubt related to any sum up to 4, you can ask me in comment box. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.